Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel 5 Minute Solution. Hope you are good. Friends, today I'll show you that how to remove or disable password on Windows 10. We set the password to secure our computer from anyone, but sometimes we don't need password. That's why we want to remove the login password of computer. I will show you 2 ways to remove the password from computer on Windows 10. So to know the setting, please watch the whole video, and if you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel 5 Minute Solution yet, please subscribe now and press the bell icon to get next video notification. To remove or disable the login password from your computer on Windows 10, for the first method you have to go on Start menu, then you have to click on Settings. After that you have to click on Accounts, then you have to click on Sign in options. Now you have to click on Change password, so click on here. Now you have to type here existing password of your computer, so I'm typing now. After that you have to click on Next. Here you will get 3 rectangle box to type your password and also password hint. Just you have to leave like this, my friend. After that you have to click on Next. Now you have to click on Finish. Now there is no password, right? Now if you restart your computer will not ask the password anymore. Now you can close this window because I'll go for the second method. For the second method, you have to go on Windows dialog box. Then you have to write here Computer Management. So click on top, Computer Management. Then you will get a window like this. You have to maximize this one. You can move this straight line a little bit on right hand side. Then you have to click on System Tools. You have to expand this one. When you will expand System Tools, you will get local users and groups. You have to expand this one also. Now you have to select on users. Then from here you have to select your account. So my account is this one, right? I have to select this one. Then you have to click right button of your mouse. Now you have to click on Set Password. Then you have to click on Proceed. My caps lock is on, so I want to off this one, caps lock. And see what is written here. Set password for blackout, right? There is new password and confirm password. So you have to leave like this. Don't type any password here. You have to keep the rectangle box blank. Then you have to click on OK. And see what is written here also. The password has been set. So there is no password, right? So you have to click on OK. Now you can close this window. Then you can restart your computer from here. And when you will restart your computer, it will not ask the login password anymore. So like this you can remove or disable the password from your computer on Windows 10. To remove or disable the password from your computer on Windows 10, if you face any problem, feel free to ask me in comment box. I'll try to give answer as soon as possible. Friends, if this video helpful to you, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel 5 Minute Solution and press the bell icon to get next video notification. Thank you for watching this video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.